Welcome to Crypto Tricksters. Before we get started to the video, I just want to remind you to please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell and click on all so that you'll be notified as soon as I post a new YouTube video. As you can see, my YouTube channel is getting up and I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And this is my Telegram channel. Feel free to check it out. The link is available in my description below. I've posted some of the airdrop I've been participating on, and I post some of my YouTube videos so that you can be updated. You'll be notified and updated every day. And I post some of the tricks that you can use so that you can apply and get more cryptos or make more money. Okay, so please don't forget to join my Telegram channel and subscribe. So for today's video is all about Tower Capital and how you can withdraw your USDT to your exchange wallet. So it's very simple and straightforward. So there's no any stress on this Tower Capital, and this robot will automatically you will be earning free USDT even if you're online or offline in this app. All you need to do is just go and verify your account. Okay, if your account is already verified, you'll be receiving. And when you go to robot, as you can see, this one, the tower one, is for free. When you have completed your your verification, you'll receive it for free. And let me go to the withdrawal. So as you can see, they'll charge you the minimum so they'll charge you a amount of 10 USDT for fee. So it means that you need to be above 10 USDT so that you can be able to withdraw. When you click on withdrawal rules, so as you can see, so the withdrawal rules, it says the minimum amount is 2 USDT, and the withdrawal fee is 10 USD so per withdrawal. Okay, so if you want to be new user, must become official Tower research user in order to withdraw cash. So what is the official user? So official user is one that has or quantitative strategy robot has on any quantitative strategy robot. So which one is the quantitative strategy robot? So as you can see, let me show you. As you can see, this one, ASIC strategy robot. If you click on it, this robot, they have data discount was about 110 USDT, but now it has become 75 USD. So if you can buy this, but if you want to buy this, it's better for you to buy it with your the USDT that you have been earning. So when you reach 75, then you can buy this. After buying this ASIC strategy robot, then you'll be able to withdraw. Okay, and this you'll be earning 3.5 USDT every day for 39 days. Okay, so after doing that, then you are good to go. Then you can withdraw to your Binance or whichever exchange that you're using or wallet that you're using. And if you're having some issues or some problems, you can just click on this icon above, and then you can just go and contact them and send them your ID number. Okay, and some of you that have been making fake referrals, please stop making fake accounts or whatever you're doing. Stop making fake accounts because they have been closing or blocking or freezing people's accounts. So let's say you have a amount of 100 referrals, and then they have checked you're not the one that's making the fake referrals, and then they have checked most of your people, and then when on the people that you have been referring or the people that's under you that have been making fake referrals, or they have been violating their rules and regulations, so that can affect you too. So please, people should stop doing this account. So you can see this app is very legit and it's paying instantly without you hustling or wasting any of your time or putting your money in. Okay, so please, people should stop doing that. And please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit on the notification bell so that you'll be notified as soon as I post a new YouTube video.